Greetings, beloved beings of light. I am Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. We have massive energetics coming into the field today. It is the 17th of February 2023, synchronizing with the Quelle, the Q, source code, source energy, God code coming in. We had a massive X-class solar flare today, which was long duration. You could see here around 1840 UTC, this big blast coming in up into the orange. And the flare maxed out at X2.28. And this was at 2010 UTC. You can see here 2010 holding at the X flare, 2110 coming down to the M class. So this, for about an hour, we held X class, which lowered down into the M class here. You can see it coming up into the orange, and the red is up by the X10 class. It's the most powerful. This was the most powerful solar flare of the year, and actually it broke the record for 2 years. So this is the most powerful X solar flare in 2 years. We'll come over here to spaceweather.com. We had a geomagnetic storm watch. We have a CME heading towards the Earth, where they're predicting tomorrow on the 18th. And this X2 class solar flare came from a new sunspot, AR3229, erupting on the 17th at 2016 UTC, producing a strong X2 class. So we have radiation from the flare itself ionized the top of Earth's atmosphere, causing a deep shortwave radio blackout over the Americas. Mariners, aviators, and ham radio operators may have noticed a loss of signal and other unusual propagation. This long-duration flare also launched a solar tsunami. So you could see here in this little animation, the solar flare blast coming off. Looks like the northwest limb here of the sun. So we have this solar tsunami that's heading towards the Earth. We believe the CME, the coronal mass ejection, should reach us tomorrow on the 18th, which is a very powerful Hindu day of Maha Shivaratri, the Great Shiva, the ceremony of Shiva, and it's very special. We'll cover that here in a minute. We're going to head over to the Schumann charts here. The Schumann's very calm today, 7 hertz, but you could see all this code coming in. You could see this anomaly here. It looks like the pi symbol or horseshoe, but we should be seeing an elevation in the resonance the next few days. So we'll keep an eye on that, keep you updated on that. And over here, Pachamama received a massive activation today. On the Ring of Fire, we had several. You could see this pyramid shape here. We're on earthquaketrack.com. We had this massive 6.1 at 9:37 UTC, 37 into 73 heaven on earth, 38 kilometers depth, so close to the 37 code. And this was, you can see, just south of the equator. We also had over here in Papua New Guinea a 4.8, but look at this, very deep, 500 kilometers depth. This is right by the Solomon Islands, son of the moon, the son of the moon, La Luna. And over here in Indonesia, 4.1, 140 kilometers, and then in the north, creating this pyramid shape. In Japan, Bonin Islands, 4.2, very deep, at 448 kilometers depth, 1129 UTC. And you could see this pyramid, and right here in the middle, you could see this little, looks like a hook or a smiley face, and that is Mariana Trench of the Maria, the Divine Feminine. This is the water energy, and Guam here, right in the center. This is a very beautiful area in the ocean, and a very powerful trench here. So we're going to see an activation in the heart of the pyramid, the fire in the middle. This is the threefold flame in the sacred heart of Lemuria. So we're going to see a lot of energy coming through the middle dantian, the heart center. You can see up here in the crown of Lemuria, multiple activations up here in Alaska, one after another here. These around the 3, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3, 5. Oklahoma in the heart of the U.S. had a 3, 1. So a lot of heart energy. The heart chakra is being activated very deep into the crystalline core of Pachamama. We're anchoring in these energies. All of our grid workers, we just ask you to allow this energy to move through your vessel into the dragon lines, into the portal where you're stationed right now upon Mother Earth, assisting Gaia in this great ascension, in this great transformation of consciousness. Now tomorrow on the 18th, we have Maha Shivaratri, this very sacred ceremony. It's very special. We celebrate Shivaratri every month, the night before the new moon. And tomorrow is twice a year, we have the Maha Shivaratri, which is the great Shiva. This is very special because this is when Shakti and Shiva merge together. This is Shakti dance with Shiva. This is the union, divine union of Heros Gamos, of the divine feminine, the divine masculine. So we're going to feel this energy of the eagle and the condor coming together in the heart center, fly together over the sacred lands of the new heaven upon the new earth. So we're going to end this here now. Thank you all very much for joining us today. Be sure to check out our full transmissions tonight. And if you'd like to support our work, this channel, and help us continue bringing these teachings and transmissions to the world, you can make a pledge on eaglelovecondor.com. Thank you all very much. We appreciate each and every one of you. Have a most beautiful and blessed day. Namaste.